Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Silverado in Driving Empire. This method focuses on efficiency, so you can start driving your new truck quickly. First, ensure you have at least $150,000 in-game cash. This amount is typically enough to cover the vehicle's base price. Next, navigate to the main dealership in the game. Look for the trucks section, which usually features a wide selection of utility vehicles. The Silverado should be prominently displayed there. Once you're at the dealership, use the menu to browse the available vehicles. You'll find different categories like sports cars, SUVs, and trucks. Select the trucks category to filter your options. Scroll through the list until you spot the Chevrolet Silverado. It's usually recognizable by its distinct design. Click on it to view its stats and confirm the purchase. The game will prompt you to spend your in-game cash, so just confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you now own the Chevrolet Silverado. After your purchase, the truck will automatically be added to your garage. From there, you can access it anytime you want to drive. This is also where the fun of customization begins. You can apply various performance upgrades, like engine tuning or suspension adjustments, to improve its speed and handling. Don't forget to personalize its appearance with new paint colors, different rims, and other visual modifications to make it truly yours. With your new Chevrolet Silverado, you're ready to explore everything Driving Empire has to offer. Take it for a spin around the map, discover new areas, and enjoy the open roads. You can also participate in various races and challenges to test your driving skills and earn additional in-game rewards. These rewards can help you purchase even more vehicles or further upgrade your Silverado. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.